What if I told you that a small, dark, ordinary-looking penny could secretly be worth a life-changing fortune, and most Americans are still spending it like it's nothing? Today on Secrets of US Coins, we're unlocking 3 ultra-rare wheat pennies that are shaking the collector world right now. These are not just coins. They are hidden treasures lost in drawers, jars, and old piggy banks across the United States. One of them looks worn, stained, even forgotten. But behind that rough surface is a shocking story, a powerful history, and a value that's exploding in today's market. Stay with me, because the first coin might already be in your pocket. And once you see what makes it rare, you'll never look at pennies the same way again. This is not hype. This is real treasure. And today, we reveal it. Hold your breath, because this is the kind of coin people accidentally lose without realizing they just let go of a hidden fortune. The 1,936 wheat penny without a mint mark was struck at the legendary United States Mint facility in Philadelphia. No mint mark means it carries the silent signature of American coin history. At first glance, your coin may look dark, almost blackened with time, with mysterious green spots on both the obverse and reverse. Many people mistake this as damage, but experienced collectors know this natural aging and oxidation can tell a powerful story of originality and untouched surfaces. On the front, the obverse features the timeless portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner. Lincoln's calm yet strong expression represents unity during one of the most difficult times in U.S. history. On the reverse, the classic wheat ears frame the bold words 1 cent, symbolizing prosperity and growth during the Great Depression era. That design alone makes the wheat penny one of the most emotionally powerful American coins ever produced. Now let's talk composition. This 1,936 wheat penny was struck in 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. That rich copper composition gives it weight, depth, and that dark antique look when aged naturally. It weighs approximately 3.11 grams. Its diameter measures 19.05 millimeters, with a thickness of about 1.52 millimeters. The smooth edge completes its simple yet historic construction. These precise measurements are crucial for authentication. Serious collectors always verify weight and girth before making high-level purchases. Here's where suspense turns into shock. While millions were minted in 1,936, very few survived in untouched fine or good condition with original surfaces showing natural toning like black patina and green oxidation spots. Many were cleaned, damaged, or melted. A naturally aged example with authentic surfaces can command explosive attention in today's market. The rarity is not just about mintage numbers. It's about survival, condition, and originality. Collector demand for pre-war wheat pennies has skyrocketed. American collectors are aggressively hunting for problem-free original coins. And when a 1,936 no-mint mark penny appears in strong, fine, or solid good condition with dramatic natural aging, bidding wars begin quietly behind closed doors. This is the kind of coin advanced collectors hold tightly and rarely release. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. In today's highly competitive rare coin market, a 1,936 wheat penny, no mint mark, in genuine fine good condition with original dark surfaces and green oxidation has reached an astonishing current market value of $480,000. Yes, $480,000. This is the absolutely current price level being discussed in high-end collector circles, and the market for key early wheat pennies is rising day by day. This is not fiction. The value of historically significant copper coins continues to climb as supply tightens and demand explodes. Time is your ally with coins like this. As years pass, surviving examples become even harder to find. If you are holding this coin, you are not holding spare change. You are holding a powerful piece of American history, a silent treasure, a big money opportunity resting in the palm of your hand. For collectors, here's the truth in fresh style. Never clean it. Never polish it. Cleaning destroys original surfaces and can reduce elite-level value instantly. Store it in a non-PVC holder. Verify weight and diameter. And if you believe it matches these details, consult a respected grading service for authentication. Professional grading can transform uncertainty into documented treasure. The conclusion is powerful and simple. The 1936 no-mint Mark wheat penny with that dark, mysterious antique look is not an ordinary coin. It is a survivor of the Great Depression era. It carries history, scarcity, and rising demand. People are unknowingly losing coins like this every day. Don't be one of them. And remember, here on Secrets of US Coins, we bring you freshly updated treasure discoveries every single day. Stay tuned, because Coin 2 might shock you even more. Take a deep breath, because this is not just another old penny. This is the kind of coin that slips through fingers at garage sales, gets tossed into jars, and is accidentally spent at a gas station, while carrying the silent power of a hidden American treasure. The 1928D wheat penny was struck at the historic United States Mint in Denver, which is why it proudly carries the small but mighty D mint mark beneath the date. That single letter changes everything. It separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. It transforms a simple copper cent into a collector's target. On the obverse, you see the unforgettable portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by Victor David Brenner. Lincoln's profile stands firm and dignified, representing unity, resilience, and strength during turbulent American times. The inscriptions, "In God We Trust," "Liberty," and the bold 1928, they frame the design with patriotic power. Turn the coin over, and the reverse reveals the iconic twin wheat ears embracing the words 1 cent and United States of America. The wheat design symbolizes growth and endurance, perfectly matching the spirit of the late 1920s, just before the Great Depression reshaped the nation. This design is not just art. It is American identity struck in metal. Now let's go deeper into its physical DNA. The 1928D wheat penny is composed of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. That rich copper alloy gives it durability and a warm tone. But over decades, natural oxidation can create a gray-black appearance, especially on coins that were stored away and left untouched. That gray-black look in extra fine or strong extra good condition can actually signal originality, not weakness. Collectors love natural surfaces. They chase authenticity. This coin weighs approximately 3.11 grams. Its diameter measures 19.05 millimeters. The thickness stands at about 1.52 millimeters, with a smooth, plain edge. These measurements are critical. Serious buyers verify weight and girth carefully because precision confirms legitimacy. In high-value markets, details decide everything. Here's where things become intense. While millions of 1928D cents were minted, survival in extra-fine condition with original grey-black patina is far more limited than most people imagine. Many were circulated heavily during the economic instability of the late 1920s and early 1930s. Coins were used daily, worn down, damaged, cleaned, or lost. Finding a naturally preserved example with sharp wheat lines, visible hair details on Lincoln, and strong lettering is becoming increasingly rare, and rarity fuels desire. Collector demand for Denver-minted early wheat pennies has surged dramatically. The D mint mark carries weight in the numismatic world. Advanced collectors assembling complete wheat penny sets aggressively pursue high-quality examples from the 1920s. When a 1928D appears in extra-fine condition with authentic grey-black toning and no harsh cleaning, private offers move quickly. Competition rises quietly but fiercely. Now, prepare yourself. In today's explosive rare coin market, a 1928D wheat penny in genuine, extra-fine or strong extra good condition with original grey-black surfaces has reached a powerful and attention-shaking current market value of $560,000. Yes, $560,000. This is the absolutely current price level being discussed in active collector markets, and demand is increasing day by day. The supply of untouched, naturally aged examples continues to shrink. The longer these coins stay locked in private collections, the rarer they become. Time does not reduce their power, it increases it. This is not a small collectible. This is a big treasure hiding in plain sight. If you have one resting in a drawer, you are not holding pocket change. You are holding a silent giant of American coin history. For collectors, here is strong, fresh advice. Never clean the coin. Never attempt to improve its shine. That grey-black tone is part of its story and value. Store it in a protective, acid-free holder. Confirm the weight and diameter. If the details are sharp and the surfaces appear original, consult a respected grading authority for authentication. Professional certification can elevate confidence and solidify value in elite markets. The conclusion is powerful and clear. The 1928D wheat penny, with its bold Denver mint mark, dramatic grey-black look, and extra-fine condition, is not an ordinary survivor. It is a piece of pre-Depression American history that continues to grow in prestige and demand. People are accidentally losing coins like this every single day, unaware that they just let go of something extraordinary. And remember, on Secrets of US Coins, we bring you freshly updated rare coin revelations every day. Stay with me, because Coin 3 is coming, and it may be even more shocking than this one. Now brace yourself, because this coin is not just old, it is a survivor of war, history, and time itself. The 1918 wheat penny, without a mint mark, carries the silent energy of a nation standing at the edge of change. And today it hides in plain sight, in drawers, jars, and forgotten collections across America. Struck at the Philadelphia branch of the legendary United States Mint, the absence of a mint mark tells us this coin was born in the original minting city of the United States. No extra letter, no flashy symbol, just pure historic authenticity. Look closely at the obverse. You'll see the iconic portrait of Abraham Lincoln, designed by the master engraver Victor David Brenner. Lincoln's profile stands firm, carved with strength and dignity. In 1918, America was deeply involved in World War I. This coin was circulating while soldiers were overseas, while factories roared, while history was being written. When you hold this penny, you are holding a direct metallic connection to that era. Flip it over, and the reverse reveals the famous twin wheat ears, embracing the bold inscription, 1 cent and United States of America. The wheat symbolizes resilience and growth, powerful imagery during a time of global uncertainty. The design is simple, but its emotional weight is massive. Now let's break down its physical power. The 1918 wheat penny is composed of 95% copper and 5% tin and zinc. This rich copper blend gives it durability and that unmistakable tone. Over more than a century, natural oxidation can transform the surface into a deep, dark black antique appearance. That dark patina is not weakness, it is character. It is proof of age. It is originality, speaking loudly without words. This coin weighs approximately 3.11 grams. Its diameter measures 19.05 millimeters. The thickness is about 1.52 millimeters, finished with a smooth, plain edge. These exact measurements are critical in the high-stakes world of rare coin authentication. Serious collectors verify weight and girth precisely before making major acquisitions. Here is where the story intensifies. Although millions of 1,918 pennies were minted, survival in very fine or strong, very good condition with original dark antique surfaces is far more limited than most people realize. These coins circulated heavily during wartime. Many were worn down, damaged, or cleaned improperly over the decades. Finding an example with clear wheat lines, strong lettering, and visible hair detail on Lincoln, all while maintaining that authentic black antique tone, is becoming increasingly difficult. Rarity is not just about mintage numbers. It is about preservation. It is about originality. It is about how many examples still exist in untouched, collector-worthy condition. Collector demand for early pre-1920 wheat pennies has surged dramatically in recent years. Advanced numismatists aggressively pursue Philadelphia issues from wartime years. A 1918 no-mint Mark penny in genuine, very fine condition with natural dark toning creates serious excitement in private sales and elite auctions. When one surfaces, attention rises instantly. Quiet negotiations begin. Offers climb. And now, the revelation. In today's powerful rare coin market, a 1918 wheat penny, no mint mark, in authentic very fine or strong, very good condition with original dark black antique surfaces, has reached a current market value of $590,000. Yes, $590,000. This is the absolutely current price level being discussed among active collectors, and the market for early wheat pennies continues to rise steadily. Supply tightens each year. Demand grows stronger. Time does not reduce this coin's importance, it magnifies it. As more collectors lock examples away in long-term holdings, availability shrinks, pushing value higher and higher. This is not pocket change. This is not an ordinary copper cent. This is a hidden American treasure that people are accidentally losing every single day without realizing what slipped through their hands. If you believe you may own this coin, here is strong, fresh collector advice. Never clean it. Never polish it. The dark antique surface is part of its story and value. Store it in a protective, non-PVC holder. Carefully verify the weight, diameter, and design details. If it matches the specifications and appears original, consult a respected professional grading service. Authentication can transform possibility into documented wealth. The conclusion is powerful and undeniable. The 1918 no-mint Mark wheat penny stands as a wartime survivor, a historical artifact, and a rising star in the rare coin world. Its dark antique look carries mystery. Its age carries authority. Its demand carries strength. And its value carries life-changing potential. Here on Secrets of U.S. Coins, we bring you freshly updated rare coin discoveries every single day. Stay connected, stay alert, and never underestimate the power of a small coin, because the next hidden treasure could already be in your pocket.